Tired of heat damage but crave gorgeous curls? The Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set is your overnight styling secret for healthy, beautiful hair. This revolutionary set lets you achieve salon-worthy, frizz-free curls without a single drop of heat, protecting your precious strands from breakage. Imagine waking up to perfect waves or bouncy curls, all thanks to its innovative design that skips hot tools completely. The super soft 34-inch satin curling rod is incredibly comfortable to sleep in, and it comes with 2 matching satin scrunchies to secure everything gently. Unlike stiff foam curlers, Kitsch's luxurious satin material ensures zero tugging or discomfort, making overnight wear genuinely effortless. You only need about 5 minutes to wrap your hair around the rod, secure it, and let the magic happen while you catch your beauty sleep. This means less time styling in the morning and more time enjoying your perfectly polished, heatless blowout. Ready to transform your hair routine? Find the official Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set link in the description below to grab yours on Amazon today. It's the ultimate gift for women who love easy, damage-free styling, or a perfect treat for yourself. Truly a game changer for 2025 hair trends. Say goodbye to heat damage and hello to stunning, effortless curls with Kitsch.